another 2 machines are coming. Just Sonia or Wendy. Yeah. Hey, think so. How much? This is the one that you're nothing. Yes, so I can wish you this period. I can wish you this period. All hands on deck. I can make sure. Oh, you know where I am. A lot of queue. People are still coming.
Look at what is happening here. Calabar people did not go to market today because they want to get their PVC and votes. But the Lagosians, the Yorubas, did not allow them to go and get their PVC. They are stoning them. The tribalism in Lagos State is too much. Somebody has sustained injury. Look at my brother with the blood. No, I want to video you. My brother, let me video your face. Look at the blood. There is no joy here. Yes, so Nigeria, you must hear this. And you must see what is happening in Ojo local government. In Igbede. They close Alaba closed market because of this, and right now they don't want them to do anything. They don't want them to get PVC. Look at what is happening here, please.